Everybody, we're Dominic Fonte Associates, and we just wanted to wish you a happy winter because it's fully here now.
Happy winter.
And as you go into 2026, you're thinking about maybe stuff to do for your home maintenance,
Yeah.
how to keep it great through the winter so you can enjoy those holiday months with family and not worrying about doing extra stuff that you didn't expect. So I know you do some preventative maintenance and stuff at your house. What do you
It's
do?
always smart. So if you're like me, you might burn wood in your fireplace. If you do have a fireplace, and you get creosote buildup with wood burning fireplaces. So you want to get it checked out by a professional, get the chimney swept, make sure it's safe for burning wood so you don't have any issues with your family and any backdrafts or anything like that. And then with the furnace. Could you imagine losing your heat in the middle of winter or on Christmas Eve?
Not ideal.
That'd be terrible. So you want to make sure you get your furnace serviced by a professional and make sure everything's in good working order so you don't have any pipes freezing or any cold weather with your family.
Dom?
Safety's important too, right? So you want to make
Sure.
sure your pipes don't freeze.
Yep.
So be aware of that. Know where to shut it off. And also, for fire and safety, you want to think about your smoke alarms. Make sure you check those smoke alarms, carbon monoxide detectors. Just you want to be safe.
Yeah, you get the furnace running all winter long. You definitely want any
Right. So
poisonous gas.
as we approach 2026, we just want to be thinking about the basic maintenance items to keep you and your family safe for this year and forever.
I know we try to keep all of our customers and anybody informed. We do try to keep a list of trusted advisors who can help you with those things. So if you ever need assistance, you want to know anything about the house buying, real estate, reach out to our team. Dominic, how do we get in touch?
Yeah, call me at 330-234-6204.
Dominic?
330-418-1535. Call or text.
You can call or text me at 330-933-3258. Or if you're curious about what it'd be like working with one of the members of our team, you can go on our website at dominicfonte.com, read some of our 5-star reviews.